Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore how to create and configure the button group element. A button group is essentially a collection of toggle buttons that allow users to select a specific value, mode, or state within your application. It's great for scenarios where you want users to choose one option from a predefined set. Let's get started. First, we'll go to the Elements section and drag and drop the button group onto the canvas. As you can see, it already contains a few default toggle buttons, each representing different states. Now, let's configure it. You can change the reference name and update or remove the label if needed. Here, we've already added the text, so we'll remove the label to avoid redundancy. Now for the enumeration, we'll head to vDLC, Design and Architecture, Data Model, then click on Enumeration and choose Create Enumeration. Let's name this button group and click on Create. Now define the keys in value. Key 1, value PAN, Key 2, value Aadhaar and Key 3, value voter card. Once done, click on Save. Back in the designer, resync the module and select the enumeration, then mark the field as mandatory. Now, in the Style section, you can adjust the alignment of the element, change the font size of the options and modify the button size and font weight. Apply these changes so we can see the updated look on the canvas. You can also customize the colors. Selected border color, black, unselected border color, gray, selected background color, light blue, unselected background color, white, selected text color, white and unselected text color, a darker shade for contrast. Once all the styling is done, we will click on Apply, then Save and Commit. Finally, we'll move to the Deploy section and click Deploy to push the changes to the application. Let's launch the app now. As you can see, the options, PAN, Aadhaar, and voter card are displayed. When we click on Aadhaar, the border and background colors update accordingly, and the selected value is reflected. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.